Video. Today we have the Metabo buy one get one free deal. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers supply from by subscribers and likes. Yes, this deal was up yesterday. I would have posted it sooner. A lot of YouTubers already posted this. Jeff Offstraff, some of the other guys already posted this, but I just wanted to post it for my subscribers so they don't miss out on this deal. So, like I said, this thing is amazing. It's great deal. $179, guys. You get an impact driver, a drill driver, a charger, and a bag, and then you got 2 batteries. All right. So, but the thing is that you can get a free tool. So that's what makes it this a smoking killer deal. Look, you can get the Metabo HPT variable speed keyless cordless jigsaw, valued at $199, or you can get the variable speed cordless reciprocating saw, battery not included, $129, valued at $129. So, guys, definitely check it out. It does expire August 4th. I'm pretty sure these are gonna sell out. You're not gonna find these in August 4th. They're valid 6/3, so yeah, definitely check it out, guys. I'll leave the link down below in the description section. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.